So if you just open your Snapchat and got this welcome you up, then it means you've gotten a device banned. Now the good thing is that you can get your device unbanned on Snapchat regardless of you receiving this message, and this tutorial is just going to focus on showing you how to get your device unbanned on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive into this tutorial. So usually if you get your device banned from Snapchat, it definitely means you've repeatedly violated their community guidelines. And when I talk of community guidelines, I talk of those guidelines that govern the way you use Snapchat, okay? And you going against any of these community guidelines is probably going to get your device banned, or in worst cases permanently banned. So now the device ban on Snapchat is categorized into divided into two subcategories. The first, which is the SS18 and SS06, and the second, SS07. So if you're seeing an SS18 or SS06 error when trying to log into your Snapchat account, or even when trying to create a Snapchat account, it means that Snapchat has been banned on that device. It typically means you can't use Snapchat, whether it is creating an account or signing to your already existing Snapchat account from that device. And this ban is typically the worst of the two types of bans that you see on Snapchat for banned devices. And on the other hand, if you're seeing the SS07 error when trying to log in, it simply means that your device has been banned from logging into Snapchat because too many Snapchat accounts have already been associated with the device you're trying to log in to Snapchat with. So I believe that the ban you're currently facing is the SS18 or SS06, which is the common type of device ban on Snapchat. But the good thing is it is very easy to solve this ban, or to get past this ban. So to get your device unbanned from Snapchat, I won't say you actually be getting that specific device unbanned from Snapchat, but you would need another device to log into Snapchat, to your Snapchat account, to get past this ban, in case if you want to use Snapchat as of this talk. And reaching out to Snapchat support for getting your device unbanned won't help you advance in any way. And if you can even get to their support page, you'll notice that there is no way for you to appeal a device ban. So the only solution that you get to resolve this SS18 or SS06 ban issue is to use another device to log into your Snapchat account. And after using another device to log into your Snapchat account, you should hopefully get access to Snapchat, and even get access to the activities that you've carried out on Snapchat without them getting your recent data removed. So that's how you get to pass the Snapchat device ban safely, legally, and securely. So if you found this video actually helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap that notification bell to not miss our upcoming video. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to get your IP address unbanned from Snapchat. So you want to subscribe to not miss that video out. I catch you in that episode.